Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They neither toil nor spin, yet even Solomon was not arrayed like one of these.
He blasphemes the temple. He turns the people against us. He must be stopped before sundown.
I wash my hands of this righteous man's blood. The responsibility is yours. Let him be crucified.
Get back! Clear the way! Crucify him!
Crucify him!
Have mercy on him!